Hi. Usually, I don't make testimonials or feedback videos for these courses that I buy, but with the Jordan Mackey course, I would like to do this because it really worked for me, and I built up several YouTube channels, and I profit from them. So everything that Jordan Mackey is teaching in his courses really works, and they're effective methods. Also, the Facebook group, I'm part of that, and if you go in there, you have a lot of people that are successful and put out a lot of knowledge also in there, and they help each other. So I would say that if you're looking for a way to make some money online, this is the way to go, definitely. And also Jordan Mackey. If a new thing comes out, he goes out and tests it, and if it works, he put it out there for us to learn from it and to work with it. So I would highly recommend the courses from Jordan Mackey about YouTube, how to make money with YouTube, and the YouTube Advanced Master Class. It really works. So I highly recommend it.